Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing and taste testing review of HAUS Vape Juice Crowd Punch. That's right, it's crowd punching time. You heard crowd busting, but now you have crowd punching. That's right. So, this is a 30 ml bottle, so 30 milliliters, and the nicotine strength is 4 milligrams. It's just that one more than what I'm used to. Usually I like to vape a 3, but 4 milligrams of nicotine, okay, one more. I can deal with it. Flavor is Crowd Punch. So what's the flavor supposed to be like? This fruity, berry-like flavor provides notes of raspberry. Missed it? Go, get down. That's not a treat for you, that's a treat for daddy right here. Come on, girl. Missed it. Down. Down. Good girl. Anyway, back to this. So, yeah. They have the old... the raspberry. You know what I'm talking about? No, they're actually talking about the raspberry as in, the fruit, the raspberry. Not raspberry as... You just gave someone the... the raspberry. And if you don't know what it is, it's something that's a little bit before my time. It's an old thing. I think it's supposed to mean something kind of like, pull out the middle finger, but you do it with your tongue and you just go like that. Don't really know why they call it the raspberry, but they do. You could probably try typing in on YouTube here and on Google. Aussie Bunker gives the raspberry. Yeah, I just don't know why they call it the raspberry and why they did, but yeah, raspberry. Missed it. No, down go. So yeah, and blueberry. Blueberry. I love blueberries. Blueberry pie, blueberry cobbler, blueberries on top of my ice cream. Oh yeah, I'm a blueberry man. Yep, I love myself some blueberries. And when they say, hey, this vape juice has blueberries in it, I'm like, oh, okay, because I tried like some other brand. I can't remember if it was a French or Italian blend. Mystic, no, down girl. I don't know what's with her today. She just wants to be on YouTube. No. Bad girl. No. Anyway. But yeah. That was nasty. It was called like Mitt's Berry or... Yes, Mitt's Berry. It tastes like Mitt's Bunhole. You know what I'm talking about? It was disgusting. Nasty. No flavor at all. Yeah. I tried this other one. Pure straight blueberry. Well, it was blueberry with ice. It was good, but it was a nice fit juice, which I highly recommend you use that in a squat device for a squat mod and tank. Yeah, nothing for a sub ohm, nothing for a dripper, RTA, RDAs. Now that's pretty much for squatting, straight up squatting. So yeah, it kind of got me interested when it said, "Hey, there's blueberries in here." Crowd Punch provides a sweet jam and creamy fruit flavors with full fruit overtones. Yeah, okay, I'm not really sure, but what the heck? Let's open it up and tail at it. So, something that I don't like about this HAUS company is the PG-VG ratio. The PG-VG ratio is not posted or labeled anywhere on the packaging on the box, nor is it on the bod. I kind of like the artwork on the bod, but that does not really look like a crowd punch. I see the fist, but as far as the rainbow crowd, no. Oh, ew, ew. Would you like this? Missed its bat. But no, that's not what we were saying lit. Right here, the PG-VG ratio. Girl, what is with you tonight? Anyway, the PG-VG ratio, as you can see right there, is a 60 VG, 40 PG. What the F? What the F, HAUS? How can you not put the PG-VG ratio on the box? I mean, there's 0.1 on the front, on the side, other side, on the top of the box. Not even on the bottle, on the label of the bottle. All you have on the label of the bottle is 30 ml, 4 milligrams of nicotine. That's it. PG-VG ratio only on the freaking insert paper, and only after you purchase and made the product will you be able to know the exact PG-VG ratio, or VG-PG as they put it here. Yeah, that's not a good product marketing design. People want us to know how much PG to the VG ratio they're getting when they're vaping. Is it going to be more PG, more VG, or is it going to be a nice 50-50? But to make people buy your product, open up your product, pull out the little paper insert to find out the PG-VG ratio, no, that's not acceptable. I hope other, e-liquid vape juice companies have taken note. It's like, no, we're going to put smack dab right on the cover box. We're going to put it right on the label, PG-VG ratio. Like, for example, let's go with the silver bat right there. As you can see, milligrams for the nicotine, 3 milligrams. How big the bottle is? 120 ml. Oh, and would you like this? The PG-VG ratio, 70-30. All that information, put it right there on the label, on the bottle. This, right here, on this little paper insert. Yeah. Let's open that up. Let's fill our V2 species. Now I know some people are like, oh dude, you didn't put enough in there. You're going to be containing dry hits. No. This is a bubble tank that's on there. There's enough in there. There's enough in the bottom, as you could probably see somewhat, that it's going to be wicked. There's no dry hits that I'm going to be taking. It's going to be fully good, okay? And while I'm not filling up all the way, and now I'm not filling up halfway. Because if there's a yucky e-liquid juice flavor out there that's disgusting, I'm not going to sit there and vape it. I'm not going to sit there and, unscrew my tank and dump it out. I'm just going to have just a wee little bit, like a small little trial sample size. And when I'm done, I'm like, ugh, okay, that was hard. I got through it. I vape it. The tank, it's empty. Bye-bye to that flavor. Go back and grab one of my other good, delicious, yummy flavors, Fill it up to the top with something that I like to vape on, So yeah, let's bring the camera up a bit and see what the crowd punch tastes like. Whew. Okay, raspberry, no raspberry flavor. Blueberry, no blueberry flavor. You know what this tastes like? This tastes like their other one. My God, does it taste like their moon milk? It tastes exactly like moon milk, only with a little bit of tone down. So it's not as strong of a weed